Welcome to Beautyistic. If you're someone who loves staying organized, whether you're a makeup artist, beauty enthusiast, or simply someone who wants to streamline their beauty routine, you've probably wondered if there's a makeup case out there that can keep everything neat and accessible while still looking stylish. Well, today, we're taking a deep dive into the Yaheetech 4-in-1 Professional Makeup Train Case. It's an aluminum cosmetic case designed for maximum organization, durability, and portability. But does it live up to all those claims? Let's find out. First, let's break it down. The Yaheetech makeup case comes with a smart 4-in-1 design, offering a combination of detachable compartments that can be customized to fit your exact needs. Whether you're storing your favorite foundations, eyeshadows, or even large tools like curling irons, this case promises to have a solution for it all. There are 4 accordion-style side trays for smaller items, like nail polishes and lipsticks, while the foam-lined trays are perfect for more delicate accessories or glass bottles. The spacious bottom compartment is ideal for storing bulkier items like hair tools or even a mannequin head. What I really appreciate here is the flexibility. You can detach the top compartment to use it as a small carrying case, or remove the 2 middle drawers to create a more compact setup. This 4-in-1 versatility means you can configure the case depending on your needs for the day. And if you prefer a smaller setup, you can even go as low as a 2-in-1 case. This makes it a fantastic option for professionals who need to travel light but still want to have everything they need at hand. Now let's talk about the build. The case is reinforced with aluminum and features metal corner protectors, giving it that robust feel you want in a professional-grade makeup case. I've used a fair share of makeup cases, and durability is crucial. This one doesn't disappoint. The 8 lockable clamps ensure that your products stay secure. Definitely a must if you're traveling or working in a busy environment. Plus, the 2 included keys provide extra security. But let's get into the mobility. If you've ever struggled with a heavy case that's a pain to move, you'll appreciate the Yaheetech case's 360-degree swivel wheels. They allow for smooth, quiet movement, and you can easily roll it around, even on uneven surfaces. The handle slides out with a smooth pull, ensuring that you're not struggling with a stiff handle when you need to move quickly. If the wheels ever need replacing, they're removable, which adds another layer of convenience. Design-wise, this case is pretty chic. It's modern and minimalist, which means it fits into any professional setting. And the black finish gives it an understated, elegant vibe. It's not just functional, but also a statement piece in your workspace or on the go. But is this case really all that? Well, here's where the pros and cons come in. The Yaheetech makeup case certainly has its strengths. Its versatility in terms of compartment design is a standout, and its durable build makes it a solid investment for anyone who needs a reliable, portable makeup organizer. The mobility is another huge plus. Those 360 degrees wheels make it so much easier to carry around. On the downside, it's worth noting that the case is quite large. While that's a benefit in terms of storage space, it could be too bulky for someone who's looking for a more compact option. Also, while the materials are solid, some users might prefer a case that's a bit lighter in weight, especially if they're carrying it daily. In terms of value for money, I think this case offers a fair balance. While it's on the higher end of pricing for makeup organizers, its build quality, customization options, and mobility justify the price if you're a professional or someone who travels frequently with your beauty tools. For those who don't need all the compartments or are looking for something lighter and more budget-friendly, there are alternatives that could be worth considering. Speaking of alternatives, if you're not sure whether the Yaheetech case is worth the investment, there are other brands out there with similar features at a lower price point. You might want to check out brands like Cosmetic or Pro Makeup cases, which offer good quality and more affordable options, but they don't necessarily match the Yaheetech case in terms of versatility and space. Ultimately, the Yaheetech 4-in-1 makeup train case stands out for its flexibility, durability, and sleek design. If you need a high-capacity, well-organized case that can handle both small and larger tools, this case is a great option. It's particularly suited to makeup artists or anyone who's constantly on the move. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so you don't miss any of our honest beauty reviews. Your support helps us continue bringing you the latest in beauty products and tools. And if you've used the Yaheetech makeup case, drop a comment below. We'd love to hear your thoughts and whether it helped organize your makeup collection. Thank you so much for watching, and remember, stay beautiful inside and out.